Well, good morning. It's another beautiful day on the farm. What I'm looking at, I need to build some sawhorses, and so I go to the shed, get the tools that I need, and all the time, if you see the tractor behind me, there's the saw, a square, a box of screws, and I don't have a good way to carry these if I have the forks on the front of the tractor. I could put the bucket on there, haul firewood and all of that, but I went to, in one of the junk piles here on the farm are a lot of scrap metal and stuff. But anyway, I found this carry-all frame. I don't know if it's homemade, where it came from, or anything else, but what I'm going to do is take the rusted bolts out of it for starters. Then I'll take in I guess a wire brush to it, paint it up, and let's make a new carry-all for the farm to carry the equipment and stuff. So when I'm out collecting firewood, if I'm working on the fence, a lot of times, because I've got a water system for the cattle, working on the electric fence, working on the plumbing, whatever I might need to do with this thing, but it'll sure be helpful to me here on the farm. So that'll be another project, but right now I'm going to be working on, I think it's oak 2x4s. Here is the trailer with the maple slabs that's short stacked beside it, is a combination, I don't know if it's ash or oak, but there's actual 2x4, 2 inches by 4 inches, 8 foot long. That's what I'm going to make the sawhorses out of this morning. So stay tuned. Let's do some work. I need, for every sawhorse, I need 2 32-inch pieces and 5 30-inch pieces. And there, my friends, is a sawhorse. Heavy duty sawhorse. It's actual 2 inches by 4 inches pieces of, I was thinking it's oak, but I believe that was pine. This is maple, that was pine. There's some oak on the bottom. So, let me get the other one made, and then I won't have to be using my forks, everything else for a countertop to do work like this at all. Anyway, thanks for watching.